Dara, it's just kinda boring just sitting in sofa. I know. Let's go to a trip. To the nearby forest? No, to Hawaii! Okay. Go there. Fine. Did you remember that I have grown up so much that I don't fit here anymore? Oh yeah. Then you'll walk. Later at airport. Yay, we got the tickets. Are they first class? No, they are for economy seats. 5 minutes later after the plane departed. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No, we are not. Oh Dara, look at that. It's the Pasila Tower. Mini Sorsa, I don't think we're gonna be fine. And boom! And ouch! This bus takes you to a secret place. What? Hop in. We arrived to London. Thank you for riding. Later. This tea tastes so good, but I think we should go somewhere else. Like take this tour bus. Wait, why are we flying towards two digital Big Bens? Ouch!